Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? It's a really good news for all Dogecoin holder, my brothers. To this time, this coin is in the profit, and today we talk about the Dogecoin decision, my brothers, to sell, hold, or buy, or what we need to do, my brother, in this current time. So after my friend information, I searched my friend very hardly, especially Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, my brother. I searched it now in the personal website, but I found my friend one my friend decision absolutely. And if you do this, I hope you never lose and you will get a very good profit now. So why you miss this opportunity? Take a risk and get a very huge profits now, my brother. This time you can see here the USD price of Dogecoin is 0.2114 USD dollar, and definitely the prices comes down from 0.7 USD dollar. It's a very bad dump, but the price will again starting moving upward from 0.19 USD dollar to you can see here they will touch now 0.2114 USD dollar. So this is a very good jump now, my brother, and I hope, I am 100% sure, my brothers, to the price will be increasing now. So what we need to do, my brother? Sell, hold, or buy. What we need to do? And if you have any plan, first of all, I will tell you, my brother, if you have any plan to sell it, so I think you are completely wrong. Definitely this is not a selling time, because, my brother, for one thing, my friend, I want to tell you, to have a holder are starting selling, so definitely they will fall down. So if you are starting selling, so the coin is dumps down more and more. But definitely this time you can see here the price is moving in upward direction, 0.95%. Just in only in last 24 hours they will profit. So it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time they will also give you a profit, and this time people are stop selling and they are starting buying, investing more and more. So therefore the price will be increasing now. Definitely if you also want, my brother, get a very good profit now, so just in only, my friend, you need to hold and wait for the good time. If you hold and wait for a good time, so I hope, my brother, in upcoming time Dogecoin price will be increasing and they will give you a very good profit now. So if they will make you millionaire, so I will also make you millionaire. Just in only you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS channel will give you a very good information videos now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.